Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm doing something a little different, my dudes. I'm doing something a little different. If you're new, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button if you want to join the community, if you want to join our gang, my dudes, our squad, VGW, my dudes. Anyway, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your PlayStation 4 to your computer to play PS4 Remoteplay in 2020, my dudes. Let's just jump right into this video, and all the links used in this video will be down in the description below. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. Okay, so the first website you will have to go to is obviously the PlayStation Remoteplay thing, and this will be down in the description below. So you have to choose which PC you use, Windows users or Mac users. Sorry, it doesn't have anything for Linux users, but it's, I guess you will have to use Windows PC or Mac, my dudes. Yeah, so once you download this, I don't think I have to show you guys how to download this, but if you really need help to download this, which I highly doubt, then please make sure and comment down below so I will make another video on this specific topic. Also, you will need a DualShock wireless adapter. You don't really need it, but you can use it if you don't want to use a wired plug-in like your normal charger and jack it into your computer, and you can use that. That's what I do, because I ain't gonna buy this. Look at this. This is $80. I'm not going to buy this. No. Okay, so my dudes, I'm not. Anyway, yeah. So once you already downloaded it, you have to go to your app. Look, it's right here for me. Your app. Open the app. Okay, checking for updates. Alright, so once the app is open, this is how it looks if you don't know. Okay, so you have to go straight to settings before you even start. You have to sign in. I am already signed in, so it will detect my PlayStation here. I am already signed in. You have to select which one you. Sometimes I go 1080p according to the internet during the day. Sometimes my internet is like up and down, so I choose either. So I'm going to 720 today. Frame rate, make sure I keep that on standard. If you want to go high, you can go high, but I make sure I keep that on standard. Also, you could change which PlayStation you want to connect to. You can use the keyboard or the PlayStation keyboard, which one you rather. And there's info here, whatever, bro. Gonna click start, and while it's starting, you can connect your you can connect your wired adapter, which is the charging port, to your laptop, and then connect it on your PlayStation controller. Okay, so make sure it's not faulty or anything, because if it's shorting, then you have a lot of problems. Okay, so there's it. It's connected, and it shows really clean. That's the thing about it. Make sure also, guys, before I end this video, make sure and download Windows 10 on your computer. Make sure and download Windows 10. Make sure and install Windows 10. You could easily type that in your browser, Windows 10 download or whatever, and make sure and update your PC to Windows 10, because PS4 Remoteplay works very smoothly on Windows 10 for some reason. Windows 8.1, I had Windows 8.1 and it was really slow. I had to like literally restart my whole computer before I play the PS4 Remoteplay. So make sure and do that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, make sure and join the gang. If you like, you can join the gang. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, and yeah, peace out.
Heard it talking, but ain't nothing. Hey, on the stick, yeah, I heard it talking shit, but ain't nothing. Tips on the stick, yeah, they clip, hold a honey. Okay, out the pouch, out the onion. Heard he talking down, but he ain't getting money. Diamonds on me, cold just like the summit. Body bad, rap him up in the trunk, he's a mummy.